and it is the Nitro Tailgater, and that is the chase car. Seems that everybody has been snagging them up because can't find them, as usual. So the Nitro Tailgater is done. Everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. We just got back from our Big Lot store, and we got the 54th anniversary cars. Now I know they come in different stores. I think Rite Aid has them, and Walgreens might have them. Big Lots, of course. I don't know. I'm sure there's a lot of different stores that have them, but I found all of these, and everybody around here have found them at the Big Lots, and they are $1. So let's get right to it. The first one up, number one, there are 6 cars in the set. This is the Datsun Fairlady, and it is done in a very dark metallic blue. The interior is black, and the window is clear. The base is a I don't know, what would you call that? Like a pink chrome. Now remember that a lot of these, the chrome will come in many different stages. So you might have a really light pink chrome, and you might have a very dark pink chrome. So it's all up to you in how you want to collect them. I know, sometimes when I see them that are really, really far, from each other, light and dark, I pick them up because they look pretty cool. It's a good color swing there. But yeah, all the bases, not all of them on all the cars, but this one has a light pink chrome base on it. The wheels on this are blacked out 5-spoke classics, the classic 5-spokes, and it has light blue chrome ring around them, and they're all small. Tampos only on the side, and they are pink and a blue pearl, a light frosty blue pearl. Hot Wheel logo on the rear quarter panel. And that is it for the Datsun Fairlady 2000. Next one up, number 2, is the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. And again, it is done in a very dark blue metallic. Has a light pink chrome base on it. The wheels are all small blue chrome MC5s. And the interior is black, and the window is clear. Am I seeing a floor in that? Yeah, I am. You can see the pink tinted floor inside the Nissan Skyline here if you look through the windshield. The tampos, it says Skyline on the rear quarter panel in silver. There's a pink box on the door with the dark blue 54 outline. It has the frosted blue pearl stripe going down the side along with a pink stripe above the rocker panel. The Hot Wheel logo on this one is on the front fender high behind the front tire. The taillights are done really nice on this. They're done up really cool. Got silver on them, got some red back there. Did the other one have taillights? No, didn't. But yeah, this one's got some pretty decent detail to it. That is number 2, the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. Number 3 is the 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug, and that is just a cute little thing there. It is done in a dark blue metallic. They're all done in dark blue metallic except for one. It has a clear window. Interior is black plastic. Stripes on it are a light pink enamel, which goes up on the roof with a number 54 in a circle. Side stripes are the frosted blue pearl on each side of the pink there. The engine in the back with a great big header is black plastic. Base on it is a darker pink chrome. Yeah, much darker than the other ones. The wheels are blue chrome. Back ones are bead locks, and the front ones are the off-road 5-spokes, smaller ones. And I believe that is it for the 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. Number four is the Manga tuner, and that's another cute little car, done again in the dark blue metallic. The tampos on it, there is a frosted blue pearl stripe on the hood and the roof with a light pink stripe around it. There is pink outline 54 on the hood. There's also a blue frosted Hot Wheel logo on the B pillar of the roof. There's the 54 in pink outline on the door, along with the frosted blue stripe and a pink stripe below it. The base is light pink chrome, and the exhaust in the back is black plastic. Interior is black plastic. Front grille is black plastic. The wheels are really tiny blacked out OH5s, open hole 5s, with light blue chrome ring around them, and they're all small all the way around. And that is it for the Manga tuner number 4. Number 5. Number 5 is the Custom 53 Chevy. That's done in a dark blue metallic. Interior is a very dark pink chrome. Engine, same thing, pink chrome. Front grille, bumper, pink chrome. The hood is clear. Windows are clear. Tampos on the side are a much lighter pink. Has a pearl blue Hot Wheel logo in that pink right behind the front wheel. The stripes are the pearl frosted blue all the way down, along with pink on the front fender into the door. There is a pink 54 on the rear quarter panel. The wheels are all small blue chrome aero discs all the way around, light blue chrome aero discs. The base is black plastic. Rear bumper is also the same as the interior and the front bumper, a dark pink chrome. And that is it. Number 5, the Custom 53 Chevy. And the last one up, it shows that there are 6 on the back. And the last one is number 6, and it is the Nitro Tailgater, and that is the chase car. Seems that everybody has been snagging them up because can't find them, as usual. So the Nitro Tailgater is done in pink chrome, which is opposite of all these guys, which are done in a dark blue metallic. Base on this is a dark blue metallic. Interior is black plastic. Windows are clear. It's got a big clear wing on the back. Parachute on the back is black plastic. Exhaust black plastic. Front grille black plastic. And the wheels are a blue chrome 5-spokes. Big ones in the back, little ones in the front. And that is it for number 6, the Nitro Tailgater, which is the chase car. So if you see one, pick it up for yourself. Don't buy a million of them so nobody else can get them. That takes the fun out of all this. But hey, what can I tell you? So that is it. All 6 of the 54th anniversary cars from Hot Wheels. I got these at Big Lots. I've seen them at a few other stores. Where you guys get them? Put in the comments where you guys get them. And that way it'll help everybody else find a complete set. Cool? Cool. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it. Always glad when you guys drop by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV. Guys, take care of yourselves. We hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.